Alright, I just found these old abandoned trucks out here in the middle of the woods. This is crazy. These have probably been sitting out here since before I was born. There's another one right next to it. This is beautiful. Gotta get a better angle of it. I'll look at the trailer too. I hate all these spider webs out here though. Car battery. Damn. That's beautiful. I don't know why they don't make cars this beautiful anymore. They should, but they're not aerodynamic, I guess. Yeah, that's crazy. And there's a few more of these abandoned vehicles out here in the woods. I'm about to show you right now. An abandoned box truck, and there's also a World War II Jeep. And I found a bunch of other stuff from World War II over here. It's crazy. Let me show you everything all around. Wow, this has been parked here for a long time, for decades. Look at all these truck trailers over here. Oh yeah, I gotta show you the Jeep first. Look at this beauty. Somebody took the front off. That used to be attached last time I was here. Damn. I also noticed they tore down the abandoned farmhouse that used to be here, because they sold half of this property, and I guess they're developing it. I don't know what they're building yet. Wow, these have seen better days. Old car seats. I wonder why somebody would just leave all this shit out here in the middle of the woods. Just leaving it to rot away. Oh, there's an engine on the floor. Is that a V8? There's a toilet in there. This shit is old. Wow, what did this used to be? It says tool trailer. Let's look inside. The door doesn't open, but let me look through the hole. Damn. Wow, look how the tree grew into it. That's unbelievable. Wow, the trees are growing right into it. It's been here a long time.